Hi everybody, it's me Sissy, and today I've got a little tiny Dollar Tree haul for you. Not too many new items, a lot for DIYs and just some basic home stuff, but I haven't made a video in a little while, so I wanted to go ahead and get this quick little haul in, and hopefully I'll be back on schedule and have some DIYs and some recipes for you. But anyway, let's jump right into it, so it'll be a real quick video. First thing I got two of these nice wine glasses, and as much as I love wine, they are not for me, they are for a DIY, so that will be coming up hopefully right after this one. But anyway, and I got a few little Halloween items. I got these cute little votive candle holders, the spider and the pumpkin. And all these were also part of my hurricane preparedness kit, so I put my candles in it when the lights were out. And now they tell me that there might be another storm coming, so we're not going to worry about it. We'll just keep using it.
Oh dear.
Yeah. And then I got a nice one of the jars with a good lid that seals really tight on it. So this is for a DIY coming up. And then I got another, a smaller jar with a lid. It doesn't fit quite as tight, but we can still use it for the DIY that I've got. And then toilet paper, you can never have too much of that. And I grabbed a couple of these screwdrivers. They're not the best screwdrivers in the world, but they are good for like doing a quick little craft if you don't have anything that's too tight. And I got another one of the beautiful farmhouse towels. I love these towels with my rooster on it. And I got my son, this box is empty because my son's already taken it, but it's the apple cinnamon incense sticks. It smells so much better than the other flavor to me. I can't remember what flavor it is now, but I like that. It smelled really good. And I got some of the laundry detergent. My favorite is the one in the orange container, but this one has a nice fragrance. I'm trying to see what it doesn't really say what the flavor is, or the fragrance, but anyway, it's the one that says it has oxygen in it. But this is good. This works great on, it works great on my clothes. I don't really, not out doing physical work, so I don't really get that dirty, and it does a good job. And then I got some of these freeze-dried fruits, and these are for a DIY I got coming up, and I've got the apple, the peach, and the strawberry, so that will be coming up in a DIY. Oh, and then this is a cute little screwdriver set. I saw, what's her name? Kelly? Is it Kelly? The one that says Stinking Cute, everything's Stinking Cute Productions. I can't remember her name right now, but she's a great YouTube channel. But anyway, she had this cute little screwdriver set on there, so I had to go get me one. And it works. It's great. It has all the little bits in the handle, so that's good to have in my little craft toolbox. Oh, and here's my favorite thing that I found this week. It is these little light up skeleton. The dog, oh man, the dog, yeah, and a cat. My son has already claimed these. He wants these, so I might have to see if I can go get another one for me. And then I got a candle because I used up all my candles for my crafts during the hurricane. But I'm stocking back up. And I got a bag of these clear gems. This is for a DIY coming up. And then the last item was just for me. My low carb, I have to portion out my peanuts. And if you're doing low carb or keto and you're real strict, don't get these. These do have peanut oil and cottonseed oil in them. Usually I just get the ones that say peanuts. But I was in Dollar Tree, and these are nice little measured out bags, so I got these. Anyway, I told you it's going to be quick. That's it. Quick little haul. Hopefully next week I'll have some more things, but I'm definitely going to have some DIYs coming up really soon. And I'm going to do a blog tonight. A vlog. I can't talk. I'm going to do a vlog tonight with an update on my eczema, which is 1,000 times better. Tell you what finally did the trick on that. and I'm gonna got some recipes coming, and I just bought an Instapot, so I'm gonna have some Instapot recipes too. So, but anyway, y'all go shopping, buy lots of stuff, do videos, let me see, and I'll show you what I got. You show me what you got. And remember, if Sissy can do it, you can do it too. Bye, y'all.
Bye.